Hello students, good morning. Today again I am here with a poem, the Wall poem, written by John Berryman. Through this poem, poet described the reality of life which everyone has to face one day. He wants to tell us of how to stand up against the miseries and sorrows of life. A small boy who has lost his ball. He is now realizing the importance of loss, how important his ball was, and how he is realizing his liabilities in life. Let us start this poem. What message this poet wants to give us? What is the boy now who has lost his ball? What is the condition of the boy? What is he feeling now who has lost his ball? What is he to do? I saw it go merrily bouncing down the street and then merrily over there in the water. Writer says, I saw him merrily, happily going down the street, playing with that ball. Ball was bouncing, and this boy was happy. He was walking towards the street, and finally his ball bounced out into the water and fell in the water. No use to say, oh, there are another ball. An ultimate shaking grief fixes the boy. Poet says there is no need to console him. There is another ball. Leave that ball. You can get another ball. But he is in extreme grief. He is now stricken. That fixes totally came in grip of grief. As he stand rigid, trembling, staring down, he is quietly standing at that place, trembling, shaking, gazing that area where his ball went. He is now rigid, stiff. All his young days into the harbor there, all his memories which he had during his young days, now standing, harboring in that water, means all his memories which he had while playing that ball now went in the water, where he standing and gazing, watching. He is fully in grief, shaking, trembling, realizing the importance of loss. His wall went, I would not intrude on him. Here poet says he don't want to interfere in his affair. His wall is lost. A dime another wall is worthless. The wall doesn't cost too much. Its cost is merely 10 cents, 1 dime, American currency. It is not very costly, but there is no use to console him, to interfere in his affair. Why are you in such a worry? You can get another ball. That ball is very cheap, but boy is not ready to accept it. He is in grief. He is sad, upset. He senses first responsibility in a board of possessions. Possession here, material life which we have, lot of things people owning in their houses. He is realizing his liabilities, his responsibilities. People will take wall and wall will be lost always, little boy. This is the reality. People get ball and ball always lost. But you see here, money is external. He is learning. With money we can't purchase everything. That is external matter. Here, the boy is learning harsh reality of life. He has lost an important thing of his life. His belongings, his feelings, his sympathy, which he had with that ball. And that ball he has lost in water. He is now in grief, he is in pain, he is very sad. He is now getting knowledge. The epistemology of loss, he is learning well behind his desperate eyes, his hopeless eyes. He can't recover from this grief. He is learning knowledge, getting knowledge of loss. See how to stand up, how to come out from this grief. Knowing what every man must one day know. This is the important. This is the harsh reality of life, which everyone has to realize one day in his or her life. We have to accept it. And most know many days how to stand up. And most know this, how to come out from this grief of loss. Whenever we lose our beloved one, our dear and near one, finally we have to come out from this grief. And that is the boy trying to learn. Here, now the boy will learn the toughest lesson of life. the elation of accepting the harsh reality of life, that one day we will lose our loved ones and our loved things. So, this is the message this poet wants to convey us. One day, everyone has to realize their responsibility. Let us see some questions there very fast. Why does the poet say, I would not intrude on him? Why doesn't he offer him money to buy another ball? The poet does not want to interfere with him. He wants him to be emotionally strong. He wants him to realize the sorrow of loss, so he does not give money to buy another ball. Loss is harsh reality of life, and a child must realize it. These all the things which we have to for today. For the rest thing, I shall again come. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.